Hello everyone, hope you all guys are healthy at your home. I am Trulok Singh and today we are going to discuss Unit 1st of Class 11th, which is Changing Trends and Career in Physical Education. Students, in this chapter there are 5 main points. First is meaning and definition of physical education. Second is aims and objectives of physical education. Number 3rd is career option in physical education. Number 4th, competition in various sports at national and international level. And number 5 is Khelo India program. We will discuss about these all the points one by one, but in today's video we are going to discuss first 2 points. First, meaning and definition of physical education, and second, aims and objectives of physical education. Rest of the points we will discuss in next video. So without wasting time, let's start. So first we will talk about the meaning of physical education. What is the meaning of physical education? To understand the meaning of physical education, we must have understand the meaning of education first. What is the meaning of education? Let's know. Education, process of learning which can modify our behavior, or we can say process of gaining knowledge for the improvement of human being. This is the meaning of education. Now let's know the meaning of physical. Physical means body or body action. Means the education which we learn through the physical activities called physical education. Okay, and physical education is an integral part of general education. It involves physical activities which helps to achieve all over development of human being. Okay, the physical education develops body and mind. Moreover, it develops total personality. So we can say the physical education develops all over personality of a human being. So this is the meaning of physical education. So our second topic is the definition of physical education. There are many definitions in your book of physical education, but today we are taking one of the best definition of physical education, which is given by Charles A. Butcher. What is the definition? Let's know. Physical education is an integral part of the total education process, and its aim is to develop physically, emotionally, and socially fit citizens through the medium of physical activity. This education, why it is best? Because it covers almost part of the physical education. There is the meaning of physical education in this definition. Aims and objectives are also included in this definition. That's why this is one of the best definition. Okay, after the meaning and definition of physical education, we are going to discuss about the aim of physical education. What are the aims of physical education? As you already know, as Charles Babbage said in his definition, the aim of physical education is all over development of a human being, which are mentally, emotionally, socially fit citizen through the physical activities. In the same way, there is one more definition which is given by the Center Advisory Board of Physical Education and Recreation. So what is this definition? Let's know about it. Definition is physical education is education through physical activities. Which education we get from the physical activities? This is called physical education for the development of the total personality of the child to its fullness and perfection in body, mind, and spirit. Means all over development of a child we get from the physical education. Okay, the aim of physical education is to develop the child in all the ways. It can be mentally, socially, okay, physically, in all the ways. So this is the main aim of physical education. If sometimes the question asked in the short answers, what is the aim of physical education? So you can write simply in one sentence, the all over development of a child is the aim of physical education. Okay, so this is all about the aim of physical education. Okay, after talking about the aims of physical education, let's move to next point, which is objectives of physical education. What is the objective of physical education? The means and way we adopt to achieve our aims are called objectives. So there are 4 main objectives to get our aim of physical education, which are physical development, psychological development or mental development. Number 3, social development, and number 4 is emotional development. So let's know what are these. First is physical development. As you know, the aim of physical education is all over development of a child. So first what we need for this all over development, physical development. So what is physical development now? The physical development is healthy body, strong muscles, okay, no sickness, no illness. So these are the symptoms, or we can say things. If child is healthy, he is not having any diseases, so we can say he is physically fit, his muscles are strong, he is able to work for a long time. So we can say he is a physically fit person. And how we get physically fit? With the various exercises and participating in the games and all. Okay, so this is physical development. Through the physical exercises we develop the body of child, of any individual. It is come under the physical development. Next point is psychological development or mental development. Now what is psychological development or mental development? It is related with our mind, or we can say our mind power, our power of learning. Okay, so these days we can say there are many diseases, many people are suffering from the mental diseases. If we do there are many exercises in physical education and yoga also. If you will do these exercise particular in a day regularly, so we can save our life and our loved ones from these diseases. So physical education helps to develop every person psychologically also. Okay, so the second aim, second objective of physical education is to make people psychologically fit. Okay, so that is the aim and objective. Next is social development. How the physical education, how we develop socially a person. Through the gathering, you can must have seen there are many competitions around the world, and sometimes the schools also. So what happens there? Many people used to come, many teams used to come. They meet to each other. They know their rules and regulations. Okay, how to be with each other, how to behave with each other, how to follow the rules, norms, and etc. So these all come under the social development. So social development is also very important part for every person. So we must develop our social fitness also. Okay, social wellness also. So this is also the main objective of physical education, and physical education always works for the social development. And the next point is emotional development, which is very, very important. These days in the children's, their emotions are very weak. Okay, we have to have very strong emotions. What are the emotions actually, and how we develop our emotions through the physical education? You can see in a match or any game, there are many situations. Sometimes the teams lose the match, sometimes they win the match. When they lose the match, sometimes the players start crying and shouting, and sometimes when they won the match, they start shouting, doing different type of things. So that condition, we can say they don't have control over their emotions. If a, but if a player is regular and he know how to play and he is under good coaching, so he can develop his emotions very well. Every time he used to play the matches and he know the conditions of matches, ups and downs of matches, and the same condition comes in our lives also. So slowly a player person who is related from the physical education, he know the situations of life and he makes his emotions strong. So through the physical activity, through the sports, we can say we can make our emotions strong. So physical education works for the emotional development also. So these are the main objectives of physical education. To get the aim of physical education. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice time.